Hello, everyone. Welcome one more time to Spanish Talks YouTube channel. Today is lesson number two for the basic pronunciation course in Spanish, and we're going to talk about letter R and the combination double R. This the sound R R. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so Spanish pronunciation lesson two, letter R and double R. Maybe this is most probably for non-native speakers. Probably is the one most difficult pronunciation in Spanish. Yeah, most probably. Because it's not common in all the languages like in English or Chinese or most of the these languages. So we're gonna learn that there are two possible ways to pronounce these two letters or combination. Then we're gonna practice with some examples, and then our usual quiz related to culture or traveling, and ask you for doubts. So we start with the flapped or tapped R, which technical name is voiced alveolar tap, and one example you can find in ardilla, squirrel in English. Okay, squirrel, ardilla. So, what does it mean? As you can see, flap or tap is one simple tap, and then alveolar, meaning in the top of the mouth, right, and then that right behind the teeth. So one simple tap in the top of the mouth, right behind your teeth. Ardilla. Okay. So it sounds similar to the word edit or pota in American English. So you can repeat after me. Ardilla. You also can find this R in so many other words like cordero, armario. Okay, so there are so many words like this with this R. Ardilla, you repeat after me, okay? Ardilla, cordero, armario. Perfect. Now, this is second type. Second type of R sound is technically is called trilled or rolled R. Technical name is voice alveolar trill. And we can find in words like raton. I was going to pronounce in English. Okay, so raton or barrio. There are these two situations. Okay, so you can find this type of R when the one single R is located in the front. It's the first one letter, the very first letter of the word, or if it's in the middle of the word, then it will go with two R's, written with two R's. And then we will see more examples right away. But right before that, you can see trill. What does trill mean? Well, meaning that tongue moves rapidly. Then alveolar, it moves in the top of the mouth, right behind the teeth, just the same as the one before. And then voiced, meaning air comes from your vocal cords, from here, from your neck, here, this area, and you can imagine that this sounds similar to machine gun. Okay, so let's practice with those two words. The first one, raton. You can notice in the top of the mouth, right behind the teeth, this how the tongue moves rapidly, and the air comes from here, from your neck, from your vocal cords. So, for example, you repeat after me. Raton. Now the second Word is barrio. Barrio. Perfect. Barrio. The second one meaning neighborhood. And the first one is mouse. Ratón meaning mouse. Barrio, neighborhood. More examples. For you can say, for example, radio, meaning radio in English, of course, or rápido, quickly, rápido, quickly. And more examples with the two R's in the middle. We can have, for example, carrera, which means race. So you repeat after me, carrera. For example, correo, meaning mail. Very good. You see, ratón, barrio. It's the same sound in both situations. Very good. Now it's time for the quiz. And the question is, in which part of Mexico is this monument located? So you let me know your answer below in the comments, please. And again, as usual, if you have any doubt, please leave it in the comments, and I will be glad to answer your questions. Okay, that was it. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider subscribing, thumbs up, and you can find the subscribe button here or here, I don't know, and the link for next video if you want to continue watching. Thank you again, and see you next time. Bye bye.